Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives in Infinix Note 12. To do this, you will need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download. Now let's open the app. Inside we should be able to find the files that we want to extract, and they're right here. Click on the file, then select this arrow pointing up button, that way you'll unpack entire archive. Here we can customize any options. There's also one option to change a designation where the files will be unpacked. And I want to put them in a movies folder. Click on OK. Then when all of the settings are set, click on OK again. And right here we just extracted our 3 files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.